Enchanté. Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a way to look cute with the least amount of effort, you have come to the right place. I am reviewing, of course, insert name here. I'm so excited to be working with them. They were kind enough to send me these hair pieces to try out for you guys, so I'm gonna let you guys know what it is. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Let's go. Before I go ahead and get started showing you how to apply the hair, because I really want it back on, but anyway, before I get ahead of myself, I'm gonna show you guys the packaging, what it comes in, the actual hair pieces, their names, all that good stuff. So, this is what it came in. Loading pretty things inside. So cute. This particular package here is the Shayla. It came in a hairnet, keep that in mind, but I took it out because I had to try it out first. But it came in a hairnet inside this little cute pouch. I like this silk pouch, it's very nice, very handy. Has a zipper. It says, everyone wants a pony. And that is true, everyone wants a good pony. Because not with my natural hair, I mean, looking right. Anyway, I'm dusty, hold on. Okay, came with a cute card, it says, no bad hair days. Each of our products are the highest quality and super easy to use, designed with the latest trends in mind. From hair extensions to wigs and our Insta-famous ponytail, we are here to help you achieve your hashtag hair goals. Shorten and team and insert name here, at insert name here. Awesome. First thing that I got is the Shayla ponytail. It's a wave. This color is ash blonde, so big thing, big. But you do not have to choose the hair color for yourself. If you DM insert name here and their Instagram, they will choose the color for you after you send like a picture of your hair in natural lighting. So they chose this color for me after I sent them a picture in their DMs, and it was really easy, and they just sent it over to me. So they will do that for you. They will apply it to your order. And it makes it really easy because then you don't have to stress yourself out like, am I an ash blonde or am I more blonde or am I more brown or am I more black? They got you girl. Next package we're gonna open up. Same stuff, nothing new. This one came in a little bit different package, and it also came with a silk holder for the hair, which is nice. So this one is the Brit pony. Woohoo! I'm sorry, I like messed it up because I was too rough on it when I was trying it on. So this is me, not the company. This is after a couple, like maybe 1 or 2 uses. So it's looking really good though. I have to say, both for the quality of the hair, it is phenomenal. Wow, like I'm very impressed. When I found out that they were synthetic, I was like kind of blown away because I thought it was real hair at first. I love how easy and dummy proof they've made this, because you know, we ain't trying to struggle like that. We don't want to have to put a ponytail in our hair if it's gonna take like 20 minutes. Let me show you guys how to put them on. It's got the clip so you can place that in your head so that it doesn't go nowhere. And then you have this strand right here with Velcro. You're gonna wrap it around like this, and I'll show you. So you're gonna go ahead and take this piece right here and pretty much cover your bun. If you have a ponytail, that's perfect too. So you're going to insert that clip right into this section, right at the like base of the bun. You're gonna take this piece of hair and wrap it around the Velcro. And while I do that, I also pinch this side and kind of hold my bun in place. And I'm gonna go ahead and feed it through the back. Wrap it around so that it covers the Velcro and you can't see the Velcro. That's the point. And then obviously the bun too. And then you got it. See how easy that is? Look how sleek that looks. Okay, we're gonna try this on a super high bun, you see? Because I think that the Brit looks so much better with the super high bun. Feed it through. Go. There. So just make sure that that's pretty tight. I usually will take a bobby pin and pin it up. and then you've got your Ariana Grande style hair. That's the application. It's very easy to take off. Make sure it goes right back into the silk case because that is important to help keep the life of your hair. When I first decided to work with insert name here, I was under the impression that it was going to be for my natural curly hair. I was hoping that I would use these hair pieces as like a protective style. Unfortunately, my hair is too big and too thick. If you guys have seen it in videos, you guys know I'm working with a lot of hair. And so with these pieces, it just couldn't cover it. And I tried so many different ways, trust me. Even though I could not wear these pieces with my naturally curly hair because it was too thick, I was able to obviously wear it now. I usually will straighten my hair a lot more in the winter time because with the cold weather, it's just hard to style curly hair. So I'll straighten my hair maybe once or twice a month, and any way that I can prolong the length of my hair blowout, I'm all over. So I usually can wear my hair straight without washing it for about a week, which is stretching it, but it's a week and I'm pretty good. After a week and a half, I usually don't want to let go and I don't want to wash my hair yet. And I'm like, no, because it's so easy having straight hair versus curly hair. If you are a curly girl, you know. These pieces allow me to prolong my straight hair when it's kind of like too crusty to be wearing out and I just need to put it up and I'm just not in the mood to wash it and style it curly. Here it goes, quick and easy for me. And I love that. It's made my life so much easier already. Like I do with most of my review videos, I do a pro and cons kind of list so you guys can know what it is. These pros that I have for insert name here will have to be one, the quality of the hair. I did not believe that it was synthetic at all. Like I said before, it definitely has a very real feel. Two, I love their variety. You have so many different pieces to choose from, so many different styles. And then you also have wigs and hair extension clips to choose from as well, which is awesome. Three, I love the branding and the packaging. I think the silk really adds a nice touch, makes it very luxurious. As for the cons, this was really hard for me to kind of like figure out what I could say that was really bad because I really did like it. I was kind of bummed about the whole natural hair thing, but you know what? I have a lot of hair, so it's not their fault. The pros outweigh the cons. I can't really find anything bad to say about them, which is great. I think you guys should check them out. I will put all their information in the description box below for you guys to take a look, and I will also be leaving the names of the ponies that I have and my hair color, but like I said, go to the DMs and ask them what your hair color is so they can match you. I will also be putting a discount code in the description box that you guys can use because you know your girl got you. That is all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.